In this video I'm showing how to fix an issue where our Chamberlain garage door opener was beeping about once every 30 seconds. And when I opened the cover on the side where the travel buttons are, I noticed this red light was also lit up. This is the battery status LED, and when it's lit up it indicates the battery needs to be replaced. The button panel also indicated the same thing. Before getting started, I disconnected power to the garage door opener. Then opened up the cover on the other side. The battery is behind this small plastic cover. I used a Phillips head screwdriver to back the screw out, and then the panel comes right off. I slid the battery out of its housing a little bit, then I disconnected the wires to the garage door opener from the battery terminals. Once those are disconnected, the battery slides right out. This is the original battery from when I installed this garage door opener. I got 10 years out of it, so can't complain. I picked up the replacement battery from Amazon. It's an actual OEM battery, and it was only 28 bucks, which kind of surprised me. I'll leave a link in the description for the one that I used. So new battery, it looks pretty much identical to the old one. I slid the replacement battery partway into the housing. Then I connected the black wire to the negative terminal and the red wire to the positive terminal. Then I slid the battery the rest of the way into the housing and tucked the cables in. I put the cover back on and tightened the screw down, closed the light cover, and plugged it back in. So that's pretty much it. When I looked at the panel, it said it was half charged. The next morning when I checked it, it was fully charged. To test it out, I disconnected the power cord and hit the garage door opener. It still opens, just a little bit slower, which is normal when it's on battery. Alright, that's it for this video. I hope this was helpful. If you also have a Chamberlain garage door opener with a bad battery that's beeping at you, hit like if this helped you out, and thanks for watching.